Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Amazon tablet model and Fire OS version because compatibility matters. Once done, free at least 1 GB so installs won't fail. Turn on apps from unknown sources in security settings to permit the Play APKs. If you see problems, enable developer options and USB debugging. This helps later if you need ADB to push files. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the tablet battery is over 40% before you install system apps. Next, download the 4 required APKs matching your Fire OS build: Google Services Framework, Google Account Manager, Google Play Services, and Google Play Store. Install them in that exact order because dependencies must register first, otherwise Play Store will crash. Use the Local Files app to tap each APK or ADB sideload via PC if install fails. After each install, wait a few seconds and tap Open only when prompted. This ensures background services initialize correctly. Finally, reboot the tablet so all Google services start cleanly, then open the Play Store and sign into your Google account. The store will often update Play services automatically. If apps fail to download, go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services and clear cache, then clear data and reboot again. If problems persist, reinstall only the faulty APK, commonly Play services, using the same compatible version. One more reboot usually resolves lingering permission or registration issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.